was wondering if you guys had any anvils for sale. Hi, I was wondering if you had any anvils for sale. Anvils for sale. Anvils for sale. Anvils for sale. Alright, thank you very much. So, I'm on the hunt to find a new anvil. Right now, I only have the cast iron anvil you can get at Harbor Freight. I've called just about every antique store in the state of Maine and a few in New Hampshire. I found one in Maine with an anvil and one in New Hampshire with an anvil. The one in New Hampshire was $600, so I'm probably not going to be getting that one. I'm going to about a 2-hour drive to a place called Skowhegan, Maine. Talked to them 3 times on the phone. All 3 times I haven't been able to get any information on it. So we're just going to have to drive there and see what they got, because I desperately need a new anvil. I'm going to pray that this one isn't garbage. Hi, I called yesterday and earlier today about the anvil that you have for sale. I was planning on stopping by today to take a look at it, but I just wanted to verify some things before I drove down. It's $4.95. Fuck, she said it was $200 yesterday. It's $500. So I just got off the phone with them again. I gave him an offer for $300 after they said the guy wanted freaking $500 for it. He took the offer for $300, so we're going right now and we're going to pick up an anvil. Walked in the kitchen and rolled in the sink. Talking to the hill, never stop to think. What do we do tomorrow? Alright. So we just paid for the anvil. $316 worth of anvil. The only thing bad about it is it's got a chunk ripped out of the side. But other than that, it's pretty good condition. The face is in good condition. Alright, we're gonna get it loaded up. I have finally purchased a proper anvil. Here's it is. It's at least 150 pounds, probably more. The only shitty part is this part's broken off, but this corner over here looks great. Face looks awesome, so I'm excited. So it is day 2 and we are here in the garage. First project of the day. Get this big bitch out of my trunk and on top of my log. So I'm thinking I might have to do it alone, which sucks. So my idea of how I'm going to do this is I'm going to get a dolly. Well, I guess I'm going to have to brute strength, pick it up, and put it on the ground, and then bring the dolly over. And then I'm going to need to somehow, like that strong man from the boulder video, pick it up and put it on top of my log. Let's give it a try. That was pretty goddamn heavy. Backwards. Woo! Fuck yeah, guy. We got it. So not only do we need to put the new anvil in, gotta take the old one out. Alright, so it's some movie magic. I got the anvil on this log. I really didn't realize how fucking huge this thing was until I put this on top of my log. Yeah. Alright, so now is going to be the much funner part of the project. My idea of how to secure this anvil to the log I'm going to take this rebar, I'm going to draw these out into a point and bend them over into a sort of C shape and make it pointed on both sides, and then on each leg of the anvil I want the rebar to secure it down, but from this side coming up and over and down into here. That's my idea anyways. Start drawing this out. My hardy tool broke. Turn this on the horn, the anvil. Okay, let's see if we can strap this one in. So, thank you for coming along with me and getting my new anvil. I'm going to put 3 more of those straps onto the anvil, and then we're all done. Then we get to make some real stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see videos similar to this one. And if you'd like to see me forge a Damascus steel chef's knife, click that annotation.